Hello everyone, this is teacher Rejil. This video addresses the competency perform fundamental operations on integers. First, we will talk about adding two integers. If the signs are like, we are going to add their absolute values. So meaning to say we will treat the integers as positive and attach their common sign. Example number 1, 6 plus 8. Of course, the two integers have like signs, positive and positive, so we add the absolute values. So 6 plus 8 is 14. Then attach their common sign. The common sign is positive, so it's positive 14. Or we may not attach this plus sign here because a number without a sign means it's a positive number. Example number 2, negative 5 plus negative 15. So we are going to treat these two integers as positive. Then we are going to add, so it's 5 plus 15. Of course, that's 20. And then attach their common sign. The common sign here is negative, so our answer is negative 20. Now, if the two integers have unlike signs, so take their absolute values, meaning to say we will still treat them as positive numbers, but this time subtract smaller number from the larger number. And then how about the sign? Use the sign of the integer with greater absolute value. Okay, example number 1. Here, they have unlike signs, meaning to say we subtract, but we will treat them as positive integers. So that's 19 minus 13. That, of course, is 6. Now what will be the sign? Okay, between negative 13 and 19, 19 has the greater absolute value. So the sign here is positive, so that means plus 6. Or we may not attach this positive sign again, because a number without a sign means positive number. Example number 2. So unlike signs again, because the first one is negative, the second one is positive, so meaning to say we are going to subtract, treating the two integers as positive. So 23 minus 15, that's obviously 8. And now, how about the sign? Okay, use the sign of the integer with greater absolute value. So this negative 23 has the greater absolute value and the sign is negative. So the answer is negative 8. Now, how about subtracting two integers? So what we will do here is change the sign of the subtrahend. Okay, subtrahend, meaning to say the second integer, the one on the right. That's the subtrahend, because the first integer here is what we call the minuend. And then after that, change operation sign to addition. So meaning to say we will follow rules in addition of integers. So we will do the first step, change the sign of the subtrahend. So it becomes 5 plus negative 17. Now we are going to follow rules in addition of integers. So they have unlike signs. So meaning to say we will treat the two integers as positive and subtract. So that's 17 minus 5. And that's 12. How about the sign? Attach the sign of the integer with a greater absolute value. So it's negative 17 that has the greater absolute value. So the sign is negative. So it's negative 12. Example number 2. First, again, we are going to change the sign of the subtrahend. So this 14 minus negative 23 becomes 14 plus 23. And obviously the two integers are positive integers, so we will just add them. That gives you 37 and the common sign is positive, so that's positive 37 or just 37 without attaching the positive sign. Example number 3, negative 5 minus 26. Again, change the sign of the subtrahend. So negative 5 plus negative 26, they have the same signs. So meaning to say, we are going to treat the two integers as positive and add them. So 5 plus 26 is 31. And then attach common sign, so which is negative. Example number 4. Negative 14 minus negative 18. So again, change the sign of the subtrahend. It will look like this. Negative 14 plus 18. Then they have unlike signs. So we will treat these two numbers as positive numbers and then subtract. So 18 minus 14 is 4. And then the sign of the integer with the greater absolute value, okay, it's actually 18, which has the greater absolute value, so it's positive, so it's positive 4, or we may not attach this positive sign. So the answer is 4. Now how about multiplying two integers? Okay, if they have same signs, the product is positive. If different signs, the product is negative. So 5 times 4, same sign, so positive 20. Negative 8 times 7, different signs, so negative 56. Negative 6 times negative 9, same signs, so positive 54. 3 times negative 14, different signs, negative 42. And how about dividing two integers? Same signs, the quotient is positive. Different signs, the quotient is negative. So 20 divided by 4, same signs, so that's 5. 60 divided by negative 15, different signs, so negative 4. Negative 72 divided by negative 9, same signs, positive 8. 100 divided by negative 50, different signs, so negative 2. Now your turn. Perform the indicated operation. You can pause the video and work on these 6 items. If you are ready, I can now show you the answer. Number 1, it's negative 35. Number 2, it's negative 48. Number 3, 27. Number 4, 9. Number 5, negative 1. And number 6, 15. Did you get all the items right? I hope you did. Thanks for watching, guys. This is Teacher Rejil. Keep safe.